Hey guys,
Hi.
today we're doing nothing. It's a rainy day. Stayed home from school. Well, actually, I went for an hour.
I don't
Pointless.
go to school.
She's a dropout.
I do online.
She don't do it.
Whatever.
So today we are here with my brother, Jermathan, over that way.
Yeah.
Is it the right way?
Yeah.
Why does your finger? Oh, okay, it is the same way. See? Say hi.
Oh.
Okay. He's watching UFC. It's lame. Just kidding. This video is gonna be really lame because we have nothing to do. So you guys need to start commenting and giving us ideas down there. We have nobody who likes us because we're losers. You guys should go read this good book though.
Called Seller.
It's on Wattpad.
Wattpad.
It's a good book.
So that's all.
Yeah, I guess that's everything. Dude, look at the underneath my eyes. It looks like I have, or this eye. It looks like I have a bag under it. Like, look how dark it is under this eye and then instead of this eye. You see the difference there? It's weird. Alright, well. Bye.
Bye.
You look angry.